Hello everyone, today I'm going to start taking a look at these two 7-inch footprint wrenches that I picked up last week at the car boot sale. They cost me 50p each and both of them are very highly corroded, as you can see here. I'm wondering if they came from the same toolbox actually, but that's something we're never going to find out unless we get on with the time machine. But anyway, let's take a look at this one first, because I think this is the worst of the two. You can still see some of the original finishes going on here, look. But this side of things is very badly corroded. As you can see, it looks like it was laying in some water. The pin is okay. You can't shift it though. It just won't go at all. This one here is not quite so bad. Pin's nice. Again, it's corroded in place and we can't shift it at all. You can still see some of the original finish, more on this one than you can on the other one. It's again pitted on the back end of things. And neither of them can be opened either. As you can see here, look. God, blimey. Solid. This one's the same. So let's just take a bit of a closer look at both of them. It's rusted the, you can see just about make out made in England just there. It's rusted the footprint symbol away. We've got some of the lighter colour rust here. And there's the pivot pin, not too bad a condition. Quite a lot of corrosion going on in there, look at that. And on this side, very badly corroded. There's the thread of the pivot pin. You can see it's pretty badly corroded, that. Very badly so. And that's why we can't open it, because it's all rusted together. And there's a little bit of the original finish going on just here, but not a lot. Let's take a look at the other one. This one has got quite a lot of its original finish left. There's some heavy corrosion going on here, but at least we can see the footprint and symbol just there. Heavy corrosion just here, but there's quite a lot of the original finish to this one. As you can see, still corroded in there, and I think, oh yeah, this one's got like some sort of cobweb going on just there. The other side of it, quite a lot of the original finish. Pins corroded in there. Okay, so today we're going to hit them with some plus gas here, which is apparently very good for dismantling lubricant. Nothing penetrates faster or releases rust quicker. So we'll give that a shot, see if we can get them loosened off. Get the pivot pins out. Give them a bit of a squirt. And we'll leave them to soak for a while. Okay, so here we are a little bit later on. Some of the rust is falling out of them. What's this one? Aha! So I've got this one going. This one's loosened up here. It's got that one freed up. Just need this one doing now. Yeah, this is the badly corroded one. I don't know how we're going to get that one free. I might have to take a hammer to that one in a minute. What about the pivot pin? Gah. Okay, oh no. I have to get some pliers, very carefully get some pliers on that so we can free it up. Let's carefully try these older pliers here then, very carefully. Try not to damage the finish on the pin here. That is not going anywhere anytime soon, I don't think. God, blimey. As long as we're not damaging the pin itself. Let's have a go tightening it. I think there's a little bit of movement going on there. Yep, there's a little bit of movement, guys. Holy crap. I think we might be getting somewhere. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Hey! Okay, so we've got the pin out of this one. Hopefully didn't damage it too much. Looking good. Now then, can we... God blimey, look at that, guys. Okay, so that one's all set for the ultrasonic bath tomorrow. Take it into work. What about the other one? Well, this one's still all sea solid, I do believe. Yep, might have to get a hammer to this one. Try a little hammer. Let's try a little hammer on it. One little hammer. Yee, gads, that one's tight. Oh, hang on. We're getting somewhere. Aha. All right. Cool. It's freed up. My only problem is the pivot pin's going to be a bit of a problem, I think. Well, look at that. Nice. Oh yeah, that's nicely freed up. What about the I think the pivot pin's going to be the problem here. Let's get those pliers in, shall we, guys? I don't believe this one's going to be as easy as the other footprint wrench, because this one's quite badly corroded, and I don't particularly want to damage the pin if I can help it. But let's give it a go. See what happens, guys. Oh yeah, this one's solid. Good grief. God. Oh dear. Be careful not to damage this one. This one's a lot finer. Wow. Oh dear, it's slipping. Oh no. We're going to end up damaging it if we're not careful. This one's in here for the duration, I think. Okay, so I've had a bit of a wiggle off camera, and I think we can actually see there's a little bit of something happening with the pivot pin here. I think what I'll do is I'll put a little bit more plus gas on the back of this. Oh, and I'll kick the camera around as well. Let's get a bit more. There we go. A bit more plus gas on there. Keep tripping over the camera as well. It's always going to help. Right in. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. It's coming. Nice. Put it back again. In and out, in and out. Nice. I think we're getting there. And it's loose. Ta-da! I don't think we've done too much damage to it either, which is a good thing. Now, can we get these apart? Blimey. God. Gadzooks, guys. so far so good. Oh, that's cool. So we managed to get them apart, get the pivot pins out without doing too much damage. I don't know what the thread's like on that one now. Holy moly, I think there might be a bit of thread left in there. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely some thread left in the hole in there. So, wow. So what I'm going to do tomorrow, and try and keep them separate so I know which part goes with which. I'm going to take them into work. I'm going to put them in the ultrasonic cleaning bath tomorrow at work. Leave them in there for about 4 hours. It'll get all this crap off, all this plus gas off, and we can see what we're dealing with in part 2. So stay tuned for part 2, guys, and I'll catch you later. I'm going to take them into work and put them in the ultrasonic cleaning.